Let's get right to it. In life, failure is inevitable. Success happens as a result of the learning that comes from failing. It's okay to fail. It's not okay to give up. The top roles in IT are out of reach for most people. In this video, let's discuss how not to fail permanently. It's no secret, most are never going to make it to the top roles in any IT position. For most people, those $250K salaries, they're out of reach. It's not because of intellectual acumen, it's a result of giving up. Many students sign up to my platform LogicBot, realize the work that's involved, and then quit because they realize they don't have what it takes. Let's list some steps you can incorporate into your journey on how not to fail. Step number 1, set some realistic expectations. This is a big one. You're not going to make it to a Tier 1 role anytime soon. If you really believe you're going to be in a top-tier technical role in a few years, you're headed for some massive disappointments. Break up your journey into micro steps and micro goals. Step number 2, the long game. If you don't have intellectual stamina, you're not going to make it. You should be thinking about your training in machine learning or data engineering or any top-tier role within IT as a decade. If you're in it for the long haul, you're going to make it because every failure is a stepping stone towards your success. Step number 3, you're going to need to become a voracious learner. If you don't like to read and learn, the world of IT is probably not for you. This space changes quickly, and you need to adapt to that environment. There is no end game, it's only a journey. You need to be a consumer of all things in your space. Step number 4, what are the real-world roles? It's hard to understand what real-world IT roles look like without being in them. Attaining your first job is going to be a wake-up call. It will also be the first step to your career as a Tier 1 machine learning engineer or a data engineer or a full-stack dev, etc. It's important to understand what real-world companies are looking for. Head to any job board and search for the career you want. What are companies looking for? Write it down. If you're interested in the data space, I'll put a video in the comments I created on the top roles in the data space. Step number 5, mentality. I have a close friend that was a Navy SEAL. He once told me that the only thing different between SEALs and other top operators is that SEALs have no quit in them. They succeed or die trying. That's a little extreme for our purposes, but that's the same mentality you need to adopt. You're going to fail. So what? We all do. Use each failure as a stepping stone to your success. You need to adopt the no quit in you mentality. If you take these 5 steps to heart, you'll be successful in almost anything you attempt. I like to call it failing forwards. When I fail, it's always in the direction of a longer-term goal. This way, I'm not quitting. I'm learning how not to fail the next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and have a great day. Hit it right now. Go ahead, just like, subscribe. See you soon. See you soon.